The news updates. Court cases won't stop handover to Tinubu, Shettima, federal government says. Do welcome to today's news, and thank you for tuning in to the news. But you can as well subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell for more updates. Now to the news details. Please listen carefully to the end. The federal government gave the assurance that the transmission of power from the President, Major General Muhammadu Buhari, to the President-elect, Bola Tinubu, would be smooth and peaceful. This was as the government said the refurbishment of offices for the President and Vice President-elects had been completed. Addressing journalists in Abuja, the chairman of the Transition Committee, Boss Mustafa, stressed that litigation would not stop the handover ceremony from taking place. He said the commitment has been active and the refurbishment of offices for the President and Vice President-elects has been completed. The facility at the Defense House is ready. Security personnel of the Department of State Services and the Nigerian Police Force have also been deployed to the President and President-elects. Protocol officers have also been assigned to both the President-elects and Vice President-elects from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the National Intelligence Agency. The transition process is on course, and all efforts are being made to ensure that it is smooth. On May 29, there would be a peaceful formal transfer of power to the new president. Mustafa noted that the Security Subcommittee had been saddled with the responsibility to ensure no one truncates the handover. He said, all litigation, whether resolved or not, will not in any way stop the process. The President is not spending a day extra in office. The Security Committee has the responsibility to ensure that nothing happens to truncate the transition process. Nigerians are very law-abiding people. Whoever has lost an election, they are provided avenues for those people to make whatever legal inquiry they want to make. But the process would continue unabated. We would not create another constitutional crisis. On May 29, the handover will take place. As part of the transition, Mustafa also said 4 members of the President-elect's team would be joining the federal government's delegation to the spring meeting of the World Bank. He, however, revealed that the President-elect has nominated Wale Edun and the governor of Kebbi State, Atiku Bagudu, to be part of the transition committee. The federal government, under the power of President Muhammadu Buhari, has said that transition of power will move from President Muhammadu Buhari to the President-elect, and that nothing will hinder the handing over. And likewise, President Muhammadu Buhari will not spend a day extra in Aso Rock in the presidential office. The federal government says they are already doing everything they need to put in place. The offices of the President and Vice President-elects has been completed. Their securities have been are on ground. The facility at the defense house is also ready. Security personnel of the DSS and Nigeria Police have been deployed to the president and vice president. So everything that needed to actually be in place for the president and the vice president elects are already being done, already looked into. So they're admonishing the DSS to do their duties on this so-called swearing-in day where Tinubu will be sworn in, because some people have actually taken it upon themselves to make sure that they thwart the the swearing-in of Tinubu. And President Muhammadu Buhari before now has said that he is ready and he wants to leave the presidential office to his state house, Dora, in Katsina State. So the federal government has said no litigation, all litigation, whether resolved or not, will not in any way stop the process. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu will be sworn in on May 29, 2023. We have come to the end of the news. What's your view? Kindly share your comment in the comment section. Thank you.